Cool man, what is up? This is your boy Chris Styles and I'm back with another video. In this video, it's gonna be a simple mid-ball fade with the braids. I think last video we hit, what, 31 likes? 31 likes, man.
Bruh.
So let's try to aim for 40. Is 40 too much? I think 40 is too much. Shout out to Marcus. You know, I know you're watching, I know you're subscribing, man. Thank you. If anybody want a shout out, just DM me or comment. Actually, yeah, comment on this video if you want a shout out. But eggplant. No, I'm joking. Put the barber pole. But yeah, if you guys can please do me the 4 things: like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. If you're not already subscribed yet. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Peace, guys. So with every haircut, I always like to start off by removing the bulk, and in this case, I have a magic clip with my number 2 guard closed and knocking out all of the hair on the sides. So now here I go in with my slim lines, make sure the lines are even on both sides, and over time when I take out the bottom portion of the hair, I flip the trimmer. For me, it takes out the hair more faster than flipping it the other way. Hopefully that makes sense. So here I have my Bronze Series 9 and I'm making another guideline just underneath the Andis slimline, and you want to flick out just about 1/4 of an inch below your trimmers. So now I have my Oster fast feeds open and I'm gonna make my first guideline. So now you close your Oster fast feeds, and where you made your guideline with your slim lines, you want to take out that line. So now you start to see another line, so you adjust your clippers to halfway, remove that line. So now with my 0 guard close, I'm just bringing the fade just about 1/4 of an inch higher. So once you finish your 0 guard close, all you gotta do is open the lever and bring the fade higher. So once you finish the 0 guard close, then 0 guard open, now I slap on my number 1 guard close and do the same steps that I did with the 0 guard. So now I just slap on my number 2 guard close, just smoothing everything out. Obviously, it's always good to go back down the fade, so if you start with your number 2 on top, you go with your
1 open, then 1 close, then 0 open, then 0 close, and then open lever halfway and close. So on the other side, I'm just going to speed up the process, so hopefully you guys can follow the steps that I'm doing. Whenever I'm doing the front lineup, I always like to put hairspray just to stiffen out the hair. Also, you see me blow drying the hair also. So whenever you're using a straight razor, you always want to pull the skin to the opposite of where you're straight blading. Wait, straight blading? Oh wait, does that even make sense? Hold on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like the cut, please like it, comment, please share, and hit that subscribe button. I'll be watching game 1 of the Raptors Milwaukee. Hopefully Raptors take the dub. Until next time guys, peace.